Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for an item in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the search for items or members button at the top of the page, and just search for any type of clothing that you're looking for. So I'm gonna search for hoodie, and then maybe hoodies and sweatshirts is a good option. So you can see that there are different kind of filters that you can use to further like reduce the searching. Like you can click on the size button and then set your size, and then just click on the show results, and then it will only show your clothings from your size. But you can also do that with setting the brand, the condition, color, and price, and you will get searches according to those. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.